the peeled banana within this context from the respondent means a circumcised penis.
And then she followed it up with the laughing face emojis.
Again, Chair, the automated response by the complainant of the hysterical laughter, which is indicated by the closed eyes, tears of joy laughing emoji, used repetitively as laughing it off.
When the complainant was asked when she testified on why she responded in this way, using the laughing emojis, specifically in this conversation, she indicated, I didn't know how to respond to him as my boss. So that fits in with you saying it's an automated response, laughing it off.
Yes, that would be correct.
Welcome back to part 2 of Judges Behaving Badly, where justice meets emojis, and the High Court turns into a soap opera you didn't know you were watching. Grab your popcorn, because what started as a serious tribunal has now turned into a fruit salad of peeled bananas, guavas, laughing emojis, and an emoji expert. Yes, you heard right. The spotlight is still on Eastern Cape Judge President Selby M., who's accused of sexually harassing a junior judge's clerk, Andiswa Mingo. Now, picture this. After 8 full days on the witness stand, Andiswa Mingo is still standing her ground, maintaining that the judge sent her a picture of his private part, or, as we say in the emoji world, a brinjal. The judge Selby Sikakan asks, "Ma'am, my client never sent you a picture of his private part, not his, not anybody's, not even stock images." This allegation has embarrassed him for years. Now here's where things get juicier. Mengo responded that she did receive it, but wait for it. He deleted it after sending it. But she took a screenshot. The problem, the picture can't be found. Not on her phone, not on his, not on the cloud, not even in the recycle bin. It's the Casper, the friendly ghost of evidence. So Sikakane pulls out the ultimate lawyer. Oh, but it gets wilder. Remember when the judge allegedly sent her a peeled banana emoji? Mengo says she interpreted that as a certain male body part. Understandable. We've all seen emoji flirtation before. But she didn't exactly shut it down. She replied with laughing emojis, yes, rolling on the floor laughing type emojis, and when she was sent a brinjal and a guava, which she says represented male and female parts, she replied with a sticker of a laughing lady. Sikakane clapped back with logic from the Emoji Constitution. Section 69. Ma'am, if you laugh, how is he supposed to know you're offended? In emoji linguistics, the laughing emoji conveys joy, amusement, or ironic approval. It does not scream. And yes, folks, you're not hallucinating. Sikakane promised to call an emoji expert to testify on what exactly those little yellow faces mean in the context of harassment.
In fact, ma'am, I will put it to you that a witness will come who is slightly more skilled than you about emojis to say that actually means rolling with laughter.
Phofu ke
Rolling
ithindi
on the floor.
kwazise into kokuba ukhona ke oyingcaphephe kwezi zinto zaba nodolazana abahlekayo ozawufika asicacisele ukuba bathetha ukuthina abanodolazana bakikitheka bade babonakala ingathi bayaziqenqa njengoba behleka.
Then we're going to go a few pages on to 1213. It's the banana emoji at 2245. So this is the message from the...
Sorry, Advocate Skeppers, I'm not there yet.
Okay.
Okay, my apologies.
Are you with me?
Yes.
All right. So the respondent said just a few messages before that, at 2245, he said, and the translation was that was given to us, I was going to give you this one, and then he followed it up with the emoji of the banana, the peeled banana, when the complainant asked him to rephrase. How do you interpret that?
In this conversation and this text, Chair, the peeled banana emoji, the standard understanding is a banana, a fruit that we all know very well. Within the context of this text communication and the previous, I think it was the previous day, Advocate Skeppers, I'm not sure, when the respondent referred to the acronym of the blowjob and the oral sex. Here it correlates with that. This is how my interpretation is informed. The peeled banana within this context from the respondent means a circumcised penis.
Now, jokes aside, this tribunal is setting important legal precedent. The core question is, when does flirtation become harassment, especially when there's a power imbalance? Just because someone smiles or sends a sticker doesn't mean they're comfortable. And just because someone didn't explicitly scream stop doesn't mean they consented. But the defense's strategy is clear and undermine the tone and implied consent in those messages. This is more than just about brinjals and bananas. It's about how our legal system interprets digital communication in power dynamics, consent, and harassment. The outcome of this tribunal could reshape how emojis and tone are used as evidence in future cases. Trust me, more witnesses are expected to testify. More WhatsApp messages will be dissected. And yes, an actual emoji expert just took the stand. No one knows she'd be recalled to stand, but let's wait and see. Welcome to South Africa, where courtroom transcripts read like Twitter threads and judicial tribunals include fruit symbols. Don't miss part 3 of this series, where we continue to unpack this bizarre case with all its legal, ethical, and hilarious undertones. And remember, if you're texting your boss, maybe skip the fruit. This is, in a nutshell, where we turn court cases into courtroom comedy without missing the facts. Like, subscribe, and remember, laughing emoji does not mean consent.